Hey guys, we back with another video with my son Cameron.
Hi.
But I'm finna show you guys how to use the slime. I think that's how you say it. I'm just say S-L-I-M-E because my spelling is sucky. It's okay. We gonna figure it out. Okay, so I just bought this from AutoZone the other day. Pretty cool, you know. Really self-explanatory, but I wish you had, you can come closer. I wish you had a plug that you could plug it up in the house or whatever, but I think I bought this for like about 14 bucks or maybe 15 bucks. But all you gotta do with this is, cause reason why I'm doing it too, my kids, they didn't really know what this was, so I was like, y'all never seen a pump or whatever, an air pump? They was like, nah, I don't know what that is. So I decided to show them how it works. So that's what we're doing out here. And we finna test it out on these nice, lovely bikes. Step one, begin. Yeah.
Ow.
Step one, you gotta start up the car. Put it in here. Show this for a camera. Put it in there, like so. Come back over. And wow, we got light for nighttime, but it ain't nighttime, so we're gonna cut it off. Well, it's gonna stay on, I guess. We don't know. But all you gotta do is take the little caps off. Take the caps off for me, JJ. That's my nice assistant right there, JJ.
This?
No, this.
Oh,
this the cap. This for the air. Take the other one off for me, Weshawn. That's my other nice assistant. Weshawn? Say hey, Weshawn.
Hello.
There you go. Show him the cap, Jay. So all you gotta do is
Cap. No cap.
Show Weshawn the cap. Yeah, that right there, Weshawn.
I know, that's all I'm doing.
Okay, you said where, so don't act like you know. So this right here, you gotta pay attention to, Cam. This right here, you can screw it off and on, like that. Not off and on, but up and down. And this gonna connect to this. So all you gotta do is, and you're gonna hear some air coming out a little bit, get close so you can hear the air, Cameron. You gotta be careful with that too, because you let it too much air out, then you got a flat tire. Wow, they look beautiful on camera. Wow. Wow, brother. Man, see the air coming out, y'all, or hear it coming out? It's my fault, I'm taking too long. My big old finger. Camera doing a good job on this camera. Making this YouTube video. Let me get closer. But all you gotta do is just turn it on. And I think, look at that. You gotta turn it on, and this gonna show the pressure at 0. It's gonna show the pressure at 0, so watch it go up. So 20 pressure deal now. At 30, you want to do it too hard, it might pop. It's too hard, so I'm gonna cut it off. So
No, that's all?
see how firm it is now?
Yeah. Yeah, it's hard.
Here, get your thing off for the pressure go down.
That's the hard part.
And all you gotta do is just put the top back on like Jalen doing right now. Oh, son, bad camera guy.
I'm sorry.
I just edited it out of there. Edit it. And what Sean did this side, and see, look, I think, see how soft that is right now? See how soft that is. I can squeeze it. So now,
My bad.
so now we're gonna put it on, get that air.
So what's the cap at?
Press the button, camera. Press the button, turn it on.
This is
Press.
for that one. 40. Guys, do you know what is this? Every time you put air on it, all the dirt comes out.
Oh, really? pop or something. Hold it.
Stop doing it. Do it. I know. You can't do it on a bike. That's something you can do on a bike.
Put it back on. Let me pump yours up, Sean.
Okay.
And I'm gonna finish it
Put
off.
it back on.
Yeah, put the cap back on.
Talking about you don't know. You don't know. I do, man.
That's good. That's good deal for that.
Yeah, I want some Cameron. I want some outside. Squeeze it. Am I getting a kiss side?
Well, give me real quick. I'm gonna say, and that's how you.
On my iPhone. I got a second.
Go get a test drive real quick.
Look here, the thing. I want to test that after.
Now I'm gonna do yours with Sean next. How I feel? Go see if you can get on the back of it, see JJ. Okay. It's more easier, right? Oh, don't hit me.
I'm gonna try to pedal.
Alright, and that's how we do this one. I think it's a good machine, you know, it's very cheap. Not cheap, but it's good quality. And I think that it's gonna last me a long time. So if looking for a good air pump, go on your car mobile, tire get flat, or even you know, what's the word for it? Airing up a tire. I think it's good. And also too, for you guys who play basketball, they also got a needle come in from. You got a needle at the back. It's right here. You can blow up a basketball, so or anything else. So sit outside and do it with your car. So I think that's a good feature too. So got everything that you want. About $14. So that's my review on this. I think it's good. I want to thank our camera guy. I want to thank West Sean. I want to thank JJ over there. All right, that's it, y'all. Come back again.